Hey guys, Kenny Muckup here, and some of you guys might remember, if you have seen it, a little while ago, I built this G1 reminiscent Optimus Prime. Whoops, I don't know how many people have actually seen it, but my friend and myself alone encouraged myself to build another one of these, but it's different because this one is based on Nemesis Prime. That's who it's supposed to be. If you don't know who Nemesis Prime is, it's basically a Optimus Prime look-alike that was built to destroy the Autobots, who looks like Optimus Prime, except he's black and red instead of red and blue. So the transformation and everything is the exact same as my other model, except for one part, which is the feet, and the only reason why I couldn't do them the same was because of a lack of pieces. But it's not that bad. I'm most likely going to display them in their vehicle modes anyway. But if you have seen that video, you already know the transformation, so you can skip through all this if you want, but the transformation is now over because it's not very complicated. So here he is. Here's Nemesis Prime. So he has those nice red windows there. He's got red eyes. If we go off screen, we grab Optimus here, and we transform him. I'm transforming him off screen just so you guys don't have to see all that if you don't want to. So here they are next to each other. Pretty much the same design. The only thing that's different is the feet. On Optimus they hinge back, but on Nemesis Prime you can't do that because I had a lack of pieces, so that kind of sucks. But here he is. I guess I should turn him back into his vehicle mode. In my honest opinion, I think he looks his best in his vehicle mode, but also I think he looks good either way. I'm not saying that because I'm the one who built it and I think it's awesome. No, I just think that it looks fairly good. Bring Optimus back in one last time for the last comparison in his vehicle mode. To be honest, I'd have to say I still like Optimus better out of these two. But you know what? Nemesis and Optimus, they're still like equally awesome to me. But yeah. Anyway guys, if you liked this video and you want to see more stuff like this, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.